Hello, lovely people out there. My name is Henry Okoninku, and we are reporting live from Tema, precisely the abode of Numo Sakumo Ulomo, the highest priest as far as Tema and the Tema Traditional Council is concerned. Today is the climaxing of the Tema Kpelejoo 2024 celebration. We started previously about some months back. We have done so many customary rites. I think last week we did that of the 3 sections of the Kpelejoo. We did Sakumo Kpele, Chadi Kpele, and Bakpele. And God being so good, at long last we are coming to the final and the conclusion part of Tema Kpelejoo. So what we are seeing now is termed Kpele, and then it's basically the climaxing of the whole Tema Kpelejoo festival celebration. And it's also an opportunity for young priestess who are being initiated into the priesthood to also take the opportunity to appear before the August Assembly to do their first dance and also tell people what they are capable of doing. Like this person that say, for instance, she is also a new person, and today be the first time she must dance, she must prove to you and I that whatever processes she's been taking with, she has taken a serious lesson and she is ready to provide. So basically, today is to climax the whole Tema Kpelejoo festival celebration. My name is Henry. This is actually the annual Tema Kpelejoo Festival. This is actually 2024. Now, Kpelejoo Festival is basically preparations towards our annual Omowo celebration. So, oral history proves that there was a time Ghans actually went into famine. So, after they are out of this very famine we are talking about, the people of Tema decided that we must not wait for another drought like this to happen. So, we started, grouping ourselves into groups. Some were given the opportunity to go and farm. Some were given the opportunity to be, fishing and those stuff. So that is how come this Kpelejoo Festival came to existence. We've been celebrating it for about 60-something years now. We will continue to celebrate Kpelejoo Festival. So it is basically preparations towards the Omowo Festival. Owaka wala gbemi alo wachi mano ni gbepa mo di ake aba fe dio ni ma no de bo te su e ma kwenu wakaye wo homowo wakajuma pula butiale ngmene na abo abono ni na no wo fo na fe ne wonjo sakumo pele ya bie wo ba jo cha de pele ino ho gba ba fi aje ko ke no chie what's our wojo na wo fi pele alochi pele wo bona yole ne Kpelejoo purposely means that we are preparing ourselves for the annual Homowo Festival celebration. My name is Henry Oko Oninkwa. I'm the Public Relations Officer for Tema Traditional Council. Thank you very much.
jubilate with us, you know. Nobody knows us, you know. We get award, we get a talent, we get award. Man, give me medal. Can you give me medal? I don't say I become a close your door. My mom is spread and meet them. All the restaurant is so. I know one store for Sean Agbala Auto, thank you. Yet our truck here, not there who go, what I tell a creature of my Chicago was still okay, Uganda. Hey, I've been down for I tell it, I got me first, I guess so. Hey, you can't be again, no. Try and see. Hey, so, la 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 la. That's in Serbia, but if you got a man, and son who is a I mean, they chop my food. If I didn't know about before, if I serve the smell, me above, see my coming, see. These are from Thailand. No Ghana. Thailand. Yeah, my name is Tiro. DJ Midovia. I'm Midovia. DJ Mikey, my food official. From Tema New Town. Yes, sir. Straight out to every year, come and celebrate with us. Tema New Town. It's a Kermin Sunday.